Let me ask you a question. Have you ever worked hard for something, believed in it with all your heart, only to watch it fall apart? A dream that didn't happen, a failure that embarrassed you, a rejection that made you question your worth. If you have, this message is for you. Because today we are not talking about success. We are talking about something far more powerful. We are talking about setbacks and how they can become the greatest strength of your life. Setbacks are part of every journey. Setbacks are not signs that you are weak, they are signs that you are trying. Every meaningful journey includes moments of doubt, pain, and failure. No one who has ever achieved greatness has done it without falling. But here's the truth most people don't tell you. It's not the setback that defines you, it's what you do next. Some people let setbacks stop them. Others let setbacks shape them. The same event can either break you or build you. The difference is not luck. The difference is mindset. Why setbacks hurt so much? Setbacks hurt because they attack more than our plans. They attack our identity. We start asking questions like, am I good enough? Did I waste my time? Should I even try again? But pain does not mean failure. Pain means growth is possible. Muscles grow by tearing, diamonds form under pressure, and character is built in moments we wish never happened. What feels like punishment may actually be preparation. Reframing the setback. To turn setbacks into strength, you must first change the story you tell yourself. Instead of saying, "This happened to me," say, "This happened for me." Ask better questions. What is this teaching me? What strength am I building right now? How will this make me wiser? Every setback carries a lesson. Every failure holds information. Every closed door redirects you toward a better path. You don't lose when you fall. You lose when you refuse to learn. Setbacks build resilience. Resilience is not something you are born with. It is something you earn. Each time you get back up after falling, you become stronger. Each time you endure discomfort, you expand your limits. Setbacks train you to handle pressure, face uncertainty, keep going when motivation disappears. Life doesn't reward the most talented, life rewards the most persistent. And persistence is born in moments when quitting feels easier. Your pain can become your power. One day, your setback will become your story. The thing that almost destroyed you will become the thing that inspires others. Your failure can become your message. Your struggle can become your strength. Your pain can become your purpose, but only if you don't give up in the middle. What you survive today becomes the wisdom you carry tomorrow. How to move forward after a setback. Here's how you move forward. 1. Accept what happened, not with defeat, but with clarity. 2. Forgive yourself. Mistakes do not define your future. 3. Adjust your approach, not your belief in yourself. 4. Take one small step. Progress rebuilds confidence. You don't need to see the whole staircase. You just need the courage to take the next step. Momentum is rebuilt through action, not overthinking. Setbacks reveal who you are becoming. Setbacks reveal your character. When things go wrong, who do you become? Someone who complains or someone who grows? Strength is not loud. Strength is showing up again, quietly, consistently, bravely. Your future self is watching you right now. Become someone they will thank. Powerful closing. Remember this. Your setback is not the end of your story. It is the turning point. What broke you yesterday can build you tomorrow. Stand up, not because it's easy, but because you refuse to let one moment define your entire life. Turn your wounds into wisdom. Turn your pain into power. Turn your setbacks into strength. Because the strongest people are not those who never fall. They are the ones who rise every single time. Your comeback starts now.